Ever feel like there's a lump stuck in your throat when you're nervous? Well, back in ancient Greece, they thought it was caused by a wandering womb. Fast forward to today, we know it's more like anxiety or even acid reflux. In this video, I'm going to solve 3 problems for good. Why your voice feels stuck, how to release that tension, and how to manage the anxiety behind it. Plus, I'll show you one hidden problem you didn't even know was making things much worse. So why does your voice feel trapped? Most of the time, it's down to anxiety and the muscle tension that comes with it. When we're nervous, especially in high pressure speaking situations, the muscles around our throat tighten up. It's like they're bracing for something, and that tightness can block your voice. This tension is part of something known as muscle tension dysphonia, or MTD, a condition where the muscles around your larynx are working too hard. Unless you've got acid reflux, which is a different situation, it's usually not a medical issue. It's your body reacting to stress. Maybe it's not just the lump in the throat that you're feeling. You could also be dealing with a tight or dry throat, or even struggling to get any sound at all. These are common symptoms when anxiety or tension take over, making it feel like your voice just disappears when you need it most. Now, don't worry, these sensations are normal, and I'll guide you through simple ways to release that tension and find your voice. So what's the impact on your voice? The tightness to your throat doesn't just make you feel uncomfortable, it actually affects the way your voice works. You might find your voice gets weaker, or it's harder to project, or maybe you even feel like you can't catch your breath while speaking. The worst part, the more anxious you feel, the tighter everything gets, leading to a cycle of tension and frustration. So let's break that cycle and get your voice back in action. Here's how. Number 1 is semi-occluded vocal tract exercises, or SOVTs. This sounds fancy, but it's simple. Try humming or blowing through a straw. These exercises help your vocal folds or cords come together more easily, reducing tension and strain while you speak. I have a video on this. Never know what's going to come out. Number 2 is progressive relaxation. Start by tensing and then releasing the muscles in your neck. See how that works? And your shoulders as well. By becoming aware of the tension, you can consciously let it go. This is great for calming both your body and your voice. Number 3 is resonant voice therapy. This technique focuses on using your voice in a way that feels easy and natural. Start by gently using sounds like or zzz. These sounds help your vocal cords vibrate more efficiently, creating a clear and strong voice without forcing it. It's like giving your voice a gentle massage, helping it flow more freely and reducing that stuck feeling. The biggest challenge is managing the anxiety that causes the tension in the first place. Slow, deliberate breathing is key. Focus on deep breaths from your belly, which can calm your nerves and loosen up those throat muscles. Also, be mindful of your voice use. Avoid whispering or speaking too much in noisy environments, and try to steer clear of things that dry out your throat, like too much caffeine or alcohol. Now, here's a hidden problem you might not have even realized was affecting you. Avoidance. When you're dealing with a feeling of a tight throat or anxiety about your voice, it's easy to start avoiding situations that require speaking. You might avoid speaking up in meetings, shy away from giving presentations, or even turn down job opportunities because you're worried your voice will let you down. This behavior can hold you back in your career and personal life, without you even realizing it. The issue is the more you avoid these situations, the more your anxiety grows. It becomes a cycle that's hard to break. So what's the solution? The key to breaking this cycle is learning to face these challenges head on. And that's where acceptance and commitment therapy comes in, or ACT. ACT helps you acknowledge the anxiety or discomfort without letting it control your actions. Instead of avoiding situations where you need to speak, ACT encourages you to lean into them while staying connected to your values, like wanting to communicate clearly or take on a new challenge. Through ACT, you can learn to accept the sensations or nerves that you're feeling and then commit to action that aligns with your goals, even if it feels uncomfortable at first. It's about making room for discomfort, but still moving forward. This behavioral therapy can be a game changer in helping you manage not just the physical sensations, but also the anxiety that's holding you back. The sensation of a stuck voice isn't just in your head, but it's not something serious either. It's usually a combination of anxiety and muscle tension. By using these simple exercises like SOVTs and progressive relaxation, you can release that tension and manage the anxiety causing it. Practice these techniques regularly, and you'll notice your voice becoming clearer, stronger, and more confident. Speak soon.